Welcome to LCGC's podcast, Minimizing Qualification Risks. This podcast is brought to you by Waters Corporation, the world's leading specialty measurement company. To find out more, please go to www.waters.com. And now, here's your host for this podcast, custom content writer for LCGC, Alyssa Maripodi.
Hi, everyone. This is Alyssa Maripodi, the custom content writer for LCGC, and I'm here today with Jenny Halfpenny, Senior Product Manager of Compliance Services at Waters Corporation, and Lisa Mashad, Service Commercialization Manager at Waters Corp. Thank you both for being here, Jenny and Lisa.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to be here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to be here.
To start, can you explain why you would need to qualify your LC systems?
Sure. Companies would need to qualify their LC systems when working in regulated environments to show that they comply with their local regulations for data quality. At the foundation of data quality is system and software qualification, which is testing the system or software at a specific moment in time and verifying with documented evidence that it meets predefined specifications.
Okay, and what are some of the industry trends that you see around instrument qualification?
Some trends we are seeing include a shift toward a more holistic approach to instrument qualification, as highlighted in a recent USP Stimuli paper. The paper describes how to embed analytical instrument qualification, also known as AIQ, into a life cycle approach as in ICH Q12. Qualification testing on a system level is becoming an industry best practice. The system gets tested in the way it is used, which more closely aligns with the quality attributes needed. System-level testing can reduce the need for metrology-based testing and is simpler to automate, saving time and reducing errors. There have also been many FDA warning letters related to electronic records and signatures controls not being applied to AIQ data. There is a requirement to have the complete data derived from all tests available as laboratory records. That means that any paper results must have the electronic metadata to back them up.
And what options do you have to qualify systems and software?
Waters offers Empower Systems QT, referred to as SQT, for Empower software and for systems running on Empower software.
So what are the benefits of using SQT product to qualify your system and software?
There are several benefits of using SQT. The first one is that it's built into our Empower software. It uses Empower software to collect, process, and report the qualification results. That means there is complete data security, traceability, trending, and tracking capabilities. Qualification results can be printed or signed off electronically and stored in Empower. With some other vendors' qualification tools, while they collect the data in Empower, they export the data into external applications to process the qualification results, which can be a data integrity risk. SQT utilizes an automated whole system testing approach for a more accurate indication of overall system level compliance. It tests the system in the way it will be used and eliminates most manual tests. Another benefit of SQT is the ability to increase your lab's productivity by allowing multiple systems to be qualified at the same time, quickly getting them back online in several hours versus days.
Can other vendors' instrumentation be qualified using SQT?
Alyssa, yes, other vendors' instruments can be qualified using SQT. Waters offers cost-efficient, high-quality services for Agilent LC and GC systems. These services ensure that you have access to faster, more robust instrument qualification, automated qualification of Empower software, best-in-class expert technical knowledge for quick resolution of system issues, and remote and proactive support to maximize instrument availability and minimize downtime. The suite of services offered allows customers to consolidate compliance and repair services for Waters and Agilent systems with a single service provider. Customers benefit from a fixed cost of ownership for their business-critical instruments and minimize the administrative burden.
What about companies who utilize in-house metrology teams? Can they use SQT?
Yes, companies that leverage their own in-house service or metrology teams have the option of using the self-directed Empower SQT. Some of the benefits of using self-directed Empower SQT are to lower your compliance-related costs, Waters can train your in-house metrology group to utilize SQT for your instruments and software. This allows you to maximize system uptime by enabling in-house service resources to immediately perform the requalification required after major repairs or upgrades. It also lowers system downtime by scheduling system qualification during regular metrology in-house service maintenance. Productivity is increased as simultaneous qualification of multiple systems can be completed. Some other benefits include optimizing the productivity of your systems and in-house service resources, and it will also help increase the robustness of your compliance activities as Empower Software manages the entire data process.
And finally, Lisa or Ginny, is there anything else you'd like our listeners to know about?
Yes, there's one more thing that listeners should definitely know about, and that's the level of Waters experience in the industry and collaboration with our customers. Organizations have come to rely on Waters for our keen understanding of regulatory expectations and our proven track record of helping to navigate the regulatory landscape and its complexities. Waters compliance experts frequently contribute and provide training and guidance document reviews to national regulatory authorities around the world. Some key criteria identified for choosing a compliance service provider include choosing a partner with knowledge of regulations, systems, and technology, the expertise and quality of the services provided, and the ability to save time and money by streamlining the qualification process to increase laboratory uptime. By choosing Waters, you have a dedicated partner that can address these needs and who is truly focused on your success.
All right, Lisa and Ginny, thank you so much for this informative overview. We appreciate you being here today.
Thanks. It's a pleasure to be here.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
This has been Alyssa Maripodi, Custom Content Writer for LCGC. Thank you, everyone, for listening.
You've been listening to LCGC's podcast, Minimizing Qualification Risks. This podcast is brought to you by Waters Corporation, the world's leading specialty measurement company. To find out more, please go to www.waters.com.